Hello and welcome to Colonsay. My name's Gavin and today I'm going to take you on a very special tour. A lot of people ask me where I'm from. Well, I'm from Colonsay and more importantly, I'm from Baleromindubh. So I'm going to give you a tour of Baleromindubh, starting with a walk up the road. When I was in school in Colhatton, I used to walk up this road after school. I loved it then. And I love it now. The views are just amazing. As we make our way down to Baleromindubh, we can see Baleromindubh Cottage on the left. I always used to take the high road, as I called it, because when you get on the top, you can really appreciate the view and you can see home as you come over the hill. I was born in this house. My parents, Peggy and Angus, ran this land as a full working farm, as well as used the house for doing dinner, bed and breakfast. Their hospitality was nothing but the best. And at New Year they were famous for doing their bacon rolls for all the first footers. My father used to love sheepdog trials and won many in his day. My mother was a great baker and cook. And then in 1988, my mother decided to go into business with her sister, May, and they opened the Colonsay Pantry. As we make our way down past Baleromindubh Farmhouse, we see the Witch's Cottage on the right. Now as we head down through the fields and down to the coast, we make our way up over the old wall and through the burn, and then we come to Baleromindubh Bay. As we leave Baleromindubh behind us, we hug the coastline and walk to Cable Bay. And as we follow the track to Cable Bay, you can appreciate what a gorgeous day it is today and why I should have worn a hat. As we leave Cable Bay, we decide to do a detour up Beneven. And as we climb further up, we approach one of the McPhee bagging points, number 21, which would be the last one on Colonsay. As we reach the top, we get a fantastic view over Oronsay. It was so clear you could even see Ireland in the background. And Garvard, and then Ardskinish, coming round to Machrins and back round to Scalasig. I soon regretted not wearing that hat. As we make our way back down the hill, Jodie's famous for finding a bog, and I tell you, she found a good one today. Well done, Jodie. And as we come round to the strand, we make our way down the road. And as it was Easter, we thought we'd say hi to the chickens. Happy Easter, chickens! As we come round Andrews Point, we see Garvard in the distance. As I take the Strand Road, Jodie takes the high road, as we take social distancing very seriously. As we come back on to Colonsay and pass Baleromindubh and then up by the Temple of the Glen, as we head back to Baleromindubh Road End. Well guys, I hope you really enjoyed the walk today. It was just under 6 miles. We did just under 18,000 steps and we climbed equivalent of 80 flights of stairs. Please remember to like and share our video. And don't forget to go to our new website, the Colonsay Pantry giftshop.co.uk. Note to myself to wear sun cream and a hat. Till next time, take care.